Hi guys! Today I'm gonna make a rose. It's a semi-wet rose. It's a really loose flower, and I make them when I make cards. I make cards all the time, so that's no surprise. Well, I have fairly concentrated color on the... I have some more water on the brush, and then I gonna dab it on. I'm thinking circular motions here. I'm gonna use another pencil later on to add some water to drag it out and make it bleed into the water. Let's make one here as well. You can almost see the shape of the rose already. And now I'm gonna go in with a mop brush. I have just clean water, quite much actually. So now I'm gonna paint the rose, but I'm not gonna paint the rose. Let's see if I just do this. We see the water bleeds out. And then we do it again. So I want to keep the white space in between. See, it's good with the white space. I just wanted to make a shade. Here we go. It's still wet, but you see it's nice, it's easy, it's a romantic loose flower. So let's see if we can go in with another color here. Let's go for orange. So let's make this one face that way. You see, I stopped here. I didn't go around because then if you would go like this, then we are like a bird view, but I want it to be like that. So now I'm doing almost the same. I'm doing the circular. Let's go for more color. It's still wet here, so I don't care about that. In fact, I think it's nice if it's gonna bleed out to each other. just think like this. The rose is... And you see, this is not perfect. It's not meant to be because it's just a loose flower. Again, clean water and this brush. So now we do touch and drag. Touch and drag. Maybe just a few drops more water. I'm taking this one out. Touch and drag. Touch and drag. And I'm doing like this. You see, it's beautiful. It spreads out. It's the white space that makes it shaped. Maybe we should do it. I can. It's too wet. Now I'm using the fact that it was really wet there, and this is also gonna spread out. That's totally okay. Here we go again. Add some water, again this brush. Now it's already spreading here, so I'm starting here. And we can take this one. Here we go, touch and drag, touch and drag. So here we go. Some loose roses. Remember to keep the white space. Really easy. Thank you so much for watching this time. I hope to see you soon. Bye.